If you're experiencing login issues on Zapier, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct email address and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity in your login information. Step 2. Reset your password. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Clear browser cache and cookies. Sometimes stored cache and cookies can cause login problems. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with login processes. Temporarily disable any extensions, especially ad blocks or privacy tools, and attempt to log in again. Step 5. Try a different browser or device. If issues persist, try accessing Zapier from a different web browser or device. This can help determine if the problem is related to your current browser or device settings. If you follow these steps and still cannot log in, consider reaching out to Zapier support for further assistance.